Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix VLC player not playing MKV files on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your VLC player is not working or not playing any MKV files, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open your VLC player. Click on this tools option, then click on preferences. After that, you can see here in the bottom of this VLC window, you will find reset preferences. Click on this, click on OK, and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still your issue didn't resolve. Again open the VLC, go to tools, preferences, click on input and codecs. Here you can see hardware accelerated decoding. Click on this, then click on disable, then click on apply, click on save. After that, suppose if this both option not working, then you can try to renaming your video file. You can try by renaming this video file. You can see this is my MKV video file. Just right click on it, then click on rename. Here you can see the file which is MKV. Just cut this option, then type AVI or MP4, whatever you want. Suppose I will type as MP4, then click on yes. Just check whether your file is playing from here. Still if it is not playing, then open your VLC, click on tools, click on preferences, click on input and codecs. Here you can see damaged or incomplete AVI file. Select this option, then click always fix, then click on save and close this window. After trying all these options, still you are facing the issue with your VLC for playing your MKV files, then you have to update your VLC. Open your VLC player, click on help, click on check for updates. If there is any update pending, then click on yes to download. It will start downloading. After completion of this download, you have to install your VLC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix VLC player not playing any MKV file. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.